I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through.
Got 4 ZV615s, 2 Salt AKs. The 6th order crammed into a nice little hole. Yep. 24. I'm having some head unit issues, man. My screen's separating on me. Man, out of all the issues to have, that's the one that's gonna give me.
It's hitting too hard on you.
Well, it moves a lot of air. Gotta love them mid-phone calls, right?
They make it even better.
That's it.
Oh man, let them know they can find you on social media anywhere.
Yeah, man, you can find me on TikTok, B-Pillar Beast.
Okay. Got no tag on the video. Have it up, man. Good seeing you, bro.
Much love, bro.
What's the next show you going to?
Let's see, man. We'll be at Triple Fest next weekend.
Next weekend, yeah. Okay, we'll do it again, bro.
Yes, sir.
All right, now.
Be good, bro.
You too.
Thank you, dog.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.